When it comes to affordable performance in motorcycling, one Indian brand has totally nailed it. It is TVS Motor Company, which has won the Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship for 6 consecutive years and many more in the overall two-wheeler motorsports category. TVS says that racing is a testimony for it, and all the learning from the racetracks can go directly into improving its production models, specifically the Apache series. That means all the Apache series motorcycles can also be tuned into potential racetrack machines with some modifications. Putting it into practice, TVS has introduced the build-to-order platform with the 2021 version of its flagship Apache RR310. Starting with the base model, which now in its 2021 version costs about 5,000 Indian rupees more than before. What has changed in the base model? Well, some software updates now support the 5.5-inch TFT display to store and view documents like the vehicle registration certificate and your license. Other features added to the dash include a day trip meter, overspeed indication, as well as a dynamic rev limiter. But today we are talking about the build-to-order packages that TVS is offering as optional extras. We went to the Madras Motor Racetrack in Chennai to ride the fully loaded version of the 2021 Apache RR310 and understand how these options are going to help customers who are willing to go for track days. Starting with the most affordable upgrades, which are red-painted alloy wheels and a sportier paint scheme, which TVS calls Race Replica Graphics. But we don't know which racing machine it replicates because none of their racing machines wear the exact same paint scheme. They definitely enhance the visual appearance of the motorcycle but are not going to make any difference in the riding characteristics. The additional cost that the red alloys add to the base ex-showroom price, which is about 2.6 lakh Indian rupees, is 1,500 rupees, while that for the Race Replica Graphics is 4,500 rupees. Another package on offer is called Race Kit, which includes changes to the handlebar, foot pegs and the exhaust setup. With this option, clip-on handlebars are pulled 5 degrees inside and are 8 degrees lower. Furthermore, the foot pegs are raised 30 mm higher and get an extra 4.5 degree lean angle. The combination gives you an aggressive tucked-in riding position, which is more suited for the racetrack. The tweaked exhaust setup is also more upswept, allowing better lean angles into the corners, and all this costs you about 5,000 Indian rupees extra over the base price. As we mentioned, there is no change in the stock motorcycle in terms of the mechanicals, and it continues to offer the same 33.5 horsepower 312cc liquid-cooled single that offers 27.3 Nm of peak torque. Features like the slipper clutch and 3-mode dual-channel ABS also remain intact, as do the premium Michelin tires. Now coming to the most important package that makes you feel all the engineering effort. Aptly called the Dynamic Kit, it is a suspension upgrade that includes Kayabas, adjustable front and rear suspension setup and costs a sum of 12,000 Indian rupees extra. The Dynamic Kit also includes a brass-coated chain that obviously is more resistant to rust formation. The one opting for this kit will be able to adjust the front USD forks manually for up to 15 mm of preload, along with a 20-step compression as well as a 20-step rebound adjustment. Also, the rear monoshock setup will get a 20-step rebound and 10-step preload adjustment. Now that gives the rider complete freedom to tune the suspension for any sort of use, including track, touring or city as per personal preference. We rode the kitted out Apache RR310 on the track with different settings and really felt a huge difference in the ride quality and the handling of the motorcycle. You can adjust the rate of compression and rebound from low to high for track days without any compromise in the comfort you need on uneven road surfaces. And you don't even need any special tool to do that because the key itself can be used for the changes if you don't have a screwdriver handy. But you need a compatible spanner to adjust the preload on the front suspension springs. It loosens up and stiffens the front suspension as per the requirement, and a firm front suspension is a great advantage on a racetrack. You can brake late and carry more speed into the corners, and even use the front brake a bit in the corners if needed. The suspension plays a huge role when you tilt the motorcycle into corners, as the entire mass that gets transferred from one direction to the other can make it unsettled with a longer suspension travel. But a harder unit with less travel offers more rigidity between the suspended mass and the body in contact with the road surface, offering you a more stable and confident shift. With the appropriate settings for the Madras Motor Racetrack, we were able to carry 3-digit speeds in some corners and even better exit speeds, which was not possible with the stock suspension. One absolutely must appreciate TVS for making such investments in an entry-level performance motorcycle to allow it to be turned into a perfect track tool without any aftermarket addition. And there is no other motorcycle in that price bracket, and not even a notch higher, to offer that kind of versatility. And the best part is that all the upgrades are optional with the Apache RR310. So one who just wants a very decent road bike does not really have to pay all that additional cost.